Bed Bath and Beyond exploring options including bankruptcy, down 24.08% in this session of the 5th of January 2022. And the stock obviously reached the Uni 52-week low of $1.82, which is also where it is right now. This is beneath the previous low of $2.25 by 19.11%, and it is 93.95% below the 52-week high of 30.06%. And according to Short Squeeze, short interest is at 49.04%, up 6%. Yes, that's what we are seeing concerning BBBY stock. Suddenly it just started to retrace. This is the news. Wells Fargo just price target on Bed Bath and Beyond to $2 from $3, maintains on the weight rating. Okay. The company warns of a wider fiscal Q3 loss, notes substantial doubt about ability to continue as going concern. Yes, and the earnings are going to be released on the 10th of January, which will be 10th of January will be Tuesday, the 10th of January. Yes. Okay, so Bed Bath and Beyond anticipates. Okay, yes. Wider fiscal Q3 net loss, lower sales. Late filing continues to weigh strategic options. Okay, Telsley Advisory Group adjusts price target of Bed Bath & Beyond to $2 from $3 maintains on the weight rating. Yes, that's what we are looking at right now, down 24.48%. Okay, we have a downward projection on its 1 minute live chart of $1.79. Let's quickly have a look at the daily chart on TradingView and see what we have there. Okay, we have there are no downward projections. We have more upward projections. We have $3.02, 7.12. This is 7.12, 9.72. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This is a 1 minute live chart, and we can plot. Let's look at the daily chart. We can plot our own projections here. We pick it from 6.62. See what the upward projections are. We have a downward projection of 1.71, just pretty much like what we have on TradingView. And then we have upward projection of 2.90, 3.63, 4.22. There's no guarantee that any of those upward projections will pan out, and indeed the downward projection as well. Yeah, and it is definitely going to be attracting a lot of those who are keen on a possible short squeeze, because it has that short interest of 40% and more and higher. So let's see whether we can look at the options grid for BBBY stock. So these will expire on this Friday. Let's look at the January 13th. Let's see what's going on there. Open interest and volumes. They might give us an idea of what they're doing, what market participants are doing. Let's look at the puts. Definitely they will be in the money. They are. Okay, we're seeing significantly large volumes there. The $1.5 strike on the 6th of January puts, 16,069. I've crossed the tape. They are anticipating further retracement towards those sort of levels. Let's go to January 13 puts. Okay, that's also We have yes, the 150 $1.5 strike has the most volume as well, so they are anticipating further retracement, but there's no guarantee they will achieve, they will get what they want. There's no guarantee. So the $2 strike is currently out of the money, I believe, and it also has the most volume on the January 6 calls. It's you can see that just changed now to 8,029. I think amongst other things, they may be also they may not just be buying, they may not just be taking advantage of this dip, they may also be selling it as well. So this will be yes, this is an interesting series to watch because they have it has far less time to expire, but tomorrow will be a critical day for this series, this January 6 series, the calls and the puts, because they will expire tomorrow. That will be they will become 0 DTEs. So, but even at that, there isn't a huge amount of activity going on the option side. I would have expected to see way more volumes, but we're not seeing that yet. So, still holding the loss of 1.8275%. Short squeeze 40.09%. Price targets have been I think reduced to around $2 or thereabouts. So yeah, BBBY stock down 24.27% on a short interest of 40.04%. We have upper projections of let's look at the trading view. Upper projection of this is a 1 minute live chart. Okay, things have converged critically. So I think we're going to return to our Fibonacci of we have a downward projection of 1.71, upper projection of $2.9, 3.63, 4.22. There's no guarantee any of those will happen. Fundamentally, things are not looking good for the stock, so expect further retracement. Those who are trading the options, especially the puts, they're expecting it to trace towards $1.5. See what you make of BBBY stock. Know how you're going to play this one. It has dipped, but things are not looking good. So thank you very much for watching this video.